Hi friends, I just received for reviewing purposes these new men's bamboo fiber socks. As you can see, they come in two colors, black and beige. You get 10 pairs, 5 of each color. As they are basically bamboo fiber material. They are really fresh. They allow your feet to breathe. And I think that's great because your feet will be fresher and better in every way. Okay, so here they are. I am going to try them. I'm going to try these new socks. Okay. Perfect. As you can see, they are just the right length for me, like in the middle of my leg, and they feel great.